Sanibonani guys, igama uNqobile niphathela amazwibela eInimba ngomhla ka-10 June. Guys, inhlanzi ishelwa amanzi ku-Azande. Shuthi-ke uhambile uLazarus wayotshela bonke abantu lapha esitafini sakhe saseKhoselathek ukuthi abangaloke bebheka kakhulu kule nto loyishiwe i-article mayelana no-Azande. It was just speculations, it was just rumors, it will die down and there's no evidence. So u-Azande is still gonna be CEO interim as appointed vele before, and-ke wonke umuntu makaqhubeke nomsebenzi wakhe awubizelwe lapha enkampani. Okay, everyone was not happy about this decision eqhamuka noLazarus, but-ke uLazarus masekhulumile akekho umuntu ongasho anything. Ngapha-ke guys, u-Azande ubeloke eyibukile guys ikhompyutha yakhe ubhuti ebuka le article eloke nje ikhuluma amahlazo ngayo. Wamane wafona efonela uBill William. Bill William ukusila ubhuti usemane wacima ifoni. Wamane wathi u-Azande esishiya umyalezo, don't you dare ukhiphe imfihlo zami ezinkulu kangaka ebese emva kalapho you disappear on me. Get back to me as soon as you get this message, because you know what, if I go down, I'm not going down alone. I'm taking you down with me. And don't forget ukuthi I know dirty secrets about you as well. Get back to me. Waqede lapho wayivala ifoni. Ngapha guys, qhawekazi uSemanugelo wasebenzisa ipassword kaLazarus. Wangena shiqi kule information ekade yayifuna u-Onga about u-Azande. Wathola yonke i-information guys, waze wathola okunye ngaphezulu. Wathola abantu abaningi asebeskenye u-Azande. It wasn't just 2 people, it was actually over 6 people abaskenye u-Azande guys. Uthe mefika nale laptop ke kuyena uLazarus emtshela ukuthi look at what I found. Wathi, how did you get here? Wathi, I cracked your password. Wathi, you know that's illegal. Wathi, tata bekumele ndiyenzile lento le ukuze ngithole yonke information ngo-Azande. Look what I got. Wababala bonke abantu ababebala u-Onga, waze wabala abanye ngaphezulu girl, from Botswana, from Mozambique, from all over guys, South Africa. U-Azande beloke busy eqotha imbokodo nesisekelo, entshontsha ama-ideas ey'ngane enkosi yami ey'ncane bandla, iy'ngane ey'fufusayo ezicabanga ukuthi zizothatha lama-ideas ziwayise phesheya kwey'lwandle yidlondlobale nazo, kanti kuzodlondlobala u-Azande yedwa. Guys, uthe yazini ngizama ukuthola noTheo but ngimtholi, but kukhona-ke omunye uTheo uzosiza nangu, igama lakhe uKhanyisa. Wathi okay fine, thola uKhanyisa umbuze ukuthi angayenza yini interview nathi, umtshele ukuthi sizomvikela. Hayi uqhawe guys, wamane wahlala amagxonto kuleyo ndaba. Yay, lapho Azande guys uthukile but akanayo nje into yokuthi mhlambe khona umuntu ozom-investigator lapha eKhoselathek. Qhawekazi is in for i-revenge girl. Yay, kusuka lapho esathusa yihlalele nje u-Azande lapha uyiphuzela utshwala bakhe. Waqhamuka uLazarus wathi, so are you still going to say this was just jealousy? Wathi, yes, it was jealousy. Wathi, how about wabala amagama from Botswana? How about washo wonke amagama abantu asebaskema guys u-Azande. What, how about uKhanyisa Ngweba? What, I don't know all of these people. Am I supposed to know these people? But oh, you're still denying it. Wabedlala i-voice recorder guys yaKhanyisa Ngweba esho yonke into umntana abantu ethi ewe u-Azande wandi-approacha ndifike ne-idea yami yokwenza umhlabathi osheshayo uzoshesha ukhulisa iy'tshalo. Waqede lapho wathi mina le idea yami izondithatha indibeke apha ezingeni eliphezulu. Wangixelela uba yena usuke eMtata and uyayazi impilo yaseMtata ukuba inzima njani. Wathi uzondisusa apho nami ebomnyameni ndifake ekukhanyeni, uzondi-introducer kuBill Williams, uyena-ke ongqondongqondo wayo yonke lento. Wase wabuza-ke omunye ukuthi and then kwenzakalani lo interview wake yena uKhanyisa Ngweba. Wathi awu emva koko ndithi ndiyabona, ayi cha, uBill William andim-introducer nhlobo at all. Ndithi ndisalindile ndabona nje hayi usedisappearishile u-Azande. Ndazama ukuba ndimthungathe, andaze ndamthola. La ndamthola khona wandixelela uba andisuke eduze kwakhe. If ndiloke ndimlandelela ndizozibona uba ndifana nobani. Hayibo guys, azande wamthreatenisha umntana, uthi ndase ndasuka-ke idea yami yahamba kanjalo, ndasala ningenanto. Bengicinga ukuba le idea izondibeka somewhere empilweni, but ya azande wayintshontsha waqeda wabaleka wemka. Azande umane nje womelwa amathe emlonyeni kubhuti after i-confrontation. Wamane wathi emhlabeni vele kunjalo, like life is unfair. Hayibo ubhuti wathi it's either you eat or you be eaten. Hayibo it's either you take or someone takes from you. Hayibo azande statement sakhe ubhuti wathi uLazarus, uyazi thina sinozoleka, we actually gave you this position so that uzoba like umuntu, kanti sonke lesi sikhathi ubukade break abantu to be where you are today. Besicinga ukuba uzoyenza lento le because you were eager to be a CIO or CEO, but now book sesithola lento ngawe. Size sazama ukunikeza lesi sikhundla, ubhizi usiblackmailer uthi uzokhuluma indaba kaQhawe ukuthi uyena wakuphusha lapho kwi-balcony mesikakunikeza le position, kanti ubufuna ukuthi vele uqhubeke uloku sabotage ingane zabantu, uyiphuca ama-ideas. This is how you work, this is how you roll. Waqhama uQhawekazi wathi hawu, kanti ingakho nje waba yi-CEO ngokuphuthuma kangaka singazi nanokuthi why, yingoba kanti wawublackmail abazali bami. Is this how you got this position, kanti? Yo guys, and mind you, not everyone knew about this. It was just their secret. Abatshelanga Qhawe, abatshelanga anyone who was close in the family ukuthi bamnikeza lesi sikhundla just ukuthi abheriwishe lento yokuthi waphusha uQhawe kwi-balcony. Now Qhawe knows ukuthi bekade blackmailer ubhuti, and now since vele noQhawe wayeyi-victim yakhe among many more victims, Azande is going down. No doubt. Ayisekho-ke manje into engathi ubambelele ngayo ukuthi-ke mhlawumbe aqombe phansi ikhosela tech or aqhubeke ahlalele isahlalo as i-CEO. Nje sekungaba yibona-ke manje Lazarus benozoleka bethi step down, otherwise we are exposing you. So nje guys, seligaya ngomunye umhlathi, seligaya ngo-left, seligaya ngo-right, and u-Azande nje inhlanzi ishelwa amanzi ngampela. Akamane aqoqe konke ngokwakhe ahambe, because I don't think he has any space laphaya ekhosela tech, not even eIngqukana Industries. At this point akhona noyedwa umuntu ozomqasha, ngoba phela vele igama lakhe selonakele. uBill William usekhiphe ne-article, which means he is under scrutiny vele. Yo guys, kwesinye isikhathi uzothi usebenzisa ubuqili, kanti ubuqili bakho buzoqumba phansi ngoba likho iqili vele lazikhotha emhlani. This is proof today. Guys, akupheli-ke lapho. Angeke ngikhulume ngomakazi ethu. Umakazi ethu guys, ayini. Ungathi usefuna uhlathi manje, ufuna ukuqumba phansi uthumeka, umnikeze enye ihagi namhlanje emva kokuthi akhokhele-ke ama-expenses esejari yengane kazethu, and everyone was talking about that hug. That hug, hayi man. And uhlathi was happy. He entertained it ngoba nakhe efuna ukucasula uthumeka. Thumeka is fuming guys. Ukhumbula kahle ukuthi kwakunjani ukuhlukunyezwa uzoleka embanga nohlathi. Manje bengayitsheli ukuthi usazophinda adlule kulobo buhlungu njengoba phela uzoleka eseshade noLazarus. Caca sengathi-ke uhlathi-ke he's got a roving eye ubhuti. Sefuna nje impela naye kuyi-entertainer le ndaba yale hagi le ayithole kumakazi ethu. Kanti akupheli-ke lapho. Umakazi ethu utheme ebona uSydney lapha esibhedlela ezobona-ke indodakazi wakho zethu ezibhosi yakhe phela. Wathi ngiyakwazi wena bhuti. Wathi uSydney, how phela uSydney Zondo is famous, he's known everywhere. Cha. Ngiyakwazi wena bhuti, ngathi khona la ngiwazela khona. And wambuka ngisho sewuphuma ngomnyango uSydney, ngathi ngeke. Mhlampe sooner or later sizothola ukuthi laba babawu-2 banengane ndawonye. It's either udadewabo kazethu noma uzethu kahle ubaba wakhe uSydney. Hayibo guys, angingasheshe ngiqagele izinto kanti mhlampe zi-wrong, kodwa ngiyasola umqakazo. Ngeke athi ngiyakwazi bhuti esho kathathu kungekho into bane-history ngayo. Guys, Aphela lapha amazwibela namhlanje, ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe and like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama unqabile niphathela amazwibela inimbanga.